Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about fixed gray screen problem in Motorola Razr 50. If you are facing the gray screen issue, I will tell you how you can fix it. You just have to follow all the steps, watch complete video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Now for further details, let's move to video and see how you can fix it in Motorola Razr 50. Let's watch the video.